Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use a rectangle tool and modify it. Just zoom in a little bit on this. So if you just made a triangle, you don't need to press shift. If you want to create just like a square, press shift on your keyboard and it's going to create a perfect square. Whoa, I pressed the wrong button. Sorry. If you wanted to like start out from the middle, well, kind of like this, you'll need to press the Alt and the Shift key. And you can also make it so that the edges are like cornered like this by pressing this button. If you want just one, you're just going to use the other selecting tool, I think, or I guess you select one of the like corners here and then do that. If you want just one corner to be like rounded out, so just select it and then do that. If you want it like perfectly sized, you're just going to click on it and then you can adjust the width and the height of the rectangle. Press OK, and that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!